Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Say I heard I got bad teeth. Oh, please give me back my money. I mean, I want to. Hold on. What am to? I didn't tell you. I didn't tell you. You see them come the way.
Foolish na my youth.
Brother. About 5 of them, you see you swallow the dog.
I be a foolish man.
Yeah.
I take serious thing to do.
No, but I see you swallow the thing. I see how this man.
Why, brother?
Boy, I'm
They come like you drink too much, brother.
Today I'm cooked. Today I'm fruit.
Too much, my youth.
Oh, you mean I drink too much?
You drink too much, man.
Rum, please.
Okay.
My drink tastes like a life.
Yo, go easy on the rum still. Yo.
Redeem!
Yo, watch out. I bet you go be father. No,
just give me that one.
No, brother, watch your bet.
Oh, for better than to have the same amount of money.
Listen to me now, man. I bet. Oh, sharp, brother. I'm telling you, I call up games, my youth. I'm telling you, dog.
Alright, catch on. Since I said bet, watch out. Who can get her without use no money? Without mention nothing about money.
No, man.
We're not a chopper.
Money have to use.
No, we're not. Wait, brother, catch on. Style do you think, brother? You have to see who have more style, brother.
My youth, style of my youth. Alright. We play your way, alright. We play your way. That's our.
Because I know, say, brother, I just money you get to get them, dog. We have money. You have money, me have money. What catch on? You have no need money to get girl.
Right now.
Brother, I remember so they broke one time with that get girl in the dog.
I'm here for them, man.
Alright, you go for it. No, kids on. Let's go for it, dog. Trust me, brother.
Easy, man.
More see what feel, you know.
Easy, man. You say me I go do the thing, brother. I'm here, man. I don't know if you said to mama, you know. You look like she like a girl, you know. But no, I have to approach her like a gentleman. Standard English, you mean? Bloody hell, mate. Jump pants, man. I have to look decent, you know. Alright. Jenko, man. Mama! Caramel! Brownie! Everything, bro.
What is this, girl?
It's me and that jack, mama. What you want? You take like a cow shit.
That's not nothing to do with me.
Anybody that don't know you have people. Cane bun suit.
Don't worry about that.
Come on, right now. So you prove me, I put it on my belly.
Why, we really come over here, Safa?
Yo! See how I'm going? You don't know what I'm come over here for?
But the piece of child and crosses
How you come over here for?
You can't come over
I
here,
need to pick up on the scope by Glock. I want to have a walk so you can walk.
You better go over this before you flap.
Never have a 1 day stand.
Brother, it don't look like you can last more than 3 seconds. You better go and back over this where you come from.
I can't do anything for me. You're alright, man. That's all.
Be happy, alright?
Yo, you get you?
No, brother.
Boy, what time I come out of the water here now, yeah?
I'll be a foolish to go on with you, man. If you're building my I'm here, dog.
You say full of style.
Brother, easy, man.
Top Yanis. Yo, watch out.
You say easy,
You
man.
mean? Man, full of style, brother.
Match up that money.
Yo.
Right here.
Right down. Mama. Yo, me not tell no lie. You look like a sexy piece of pumpkin.
Where them dirty people here come from, man?
I mean, you know, say you want to put in my life, make it go on, you know. Take care of me, wash my clothes and cook my food and you know.
So why you not like see me happy? Me not have time for relationship.
But me have time for you.
Me not have no time for you. Me not want a piece of trail and crosses for me.
Kitchen, what you say? It's a bit me and I charge you the seed. Where I say, yo, who can get your number and then something there. So if you make me win, you know, a little thing can go on. You see me, because we have a little money for anything. You see me, I say, so just run on the number, just do like you give me your number. Just do like you give me your number. The thing number, watch her. Just get you now, watch her now.
Them man you want everybody nowadays. Everything them see them want. No sir. Come like Chichi and them down board nowadays. I can't trust them.
So they get you.
Yo, I want a rainbow girl, them dog. But kitchen, she say,
Yeah.
if she go that way there, I mean she'll take. Yeah man, I say thing, but kitchen, what you saying, bro? What you saying, man? The party will come more, dog.
And we got this.
Yo! Wait. We got these.
Red down.
Right down.
Watch out, dog. Right now, two of me love me, shame me actually married that, but after that mash up my clientele. You see
Brother.
me? But watch out, man. Party like a boy.
Yo,
Yeah.
anything.
Yes.
Rum please.
Rum, please.
You see if we tell in a party,
Brother.
and they say party, I go there.
Superstar. Second.
You mean? Yo.
Big.
Yo.
Hey, no,
Be-
no play with it.
Yo, look at him. Be 100 US pull up.
No.
100.
Right now.
Yes.
Yeah. Watch out for you.
Oh, my cash up?
No, for your life, brother.
Brother, 8,000 US.
Why? Look on the man them how much money. And look how much justice them.
Watch out. I'm ready for go, brother. I'm saying, man. Take my money then, brother.
Now, my later in the dog. I swear I'm going to walk and take up girl off a girl, eh?
You guys ever had a threesome before?
Right down. That's why I'm sure you will not use no dollars. Because kitchen, I just the bench them. Just say,
They have to do it, brother. Yeah, man.
look over there though. More tell about if you do a
Three
sub.
sub.
Right down. Yo.
Yo.
Yo, but remember saying kitchen, me I got them out first, is it? So you just go and do the rest of the program,
Easy.
and then we just switch up the thing.
Like always.
I had
Right now.
right. Yo, hold on. Just do like I go do a shit. Yo.
It's a pleasure to be here with you guys.
The pleasure is all
This
ours.
is all right.
So we like to go first with me.
Ready?
Hold on. I like when my guys are tipsy and have no mercy.
Yeah, man. Take it easy, man. You move too fast,
Yo.
brother. It's cool, man.
Alright.
So how are you, Oxa?
I'm T, baby. I'm a militant, man. I'm T, man.
Someone can touch you, right?
You can't touch me anyway, I'm T, what? What's up?
So I'm gonna change off into something much more comfortable and sexy.
Oh, yeah,
That is it, yeah.
Alright.
Your man, she's charging.
Yo,
See,
murder,
this is
nah.
a murder, you know.
This,
Tell you that. Yo!
Jaja. Brother, and tell you, bro.
Oh,
We say that, bro.
so you in a wobble, so. You in a wobble, dog.
All of a sudden, you just start twos up and threes up on me. Alright, then,
Yo!
brother.
No, dog. Watch out.
No, no.
They are so.
I can. Friends, brother.
Yo! Get up, brother!
I'm gonna go first.
We are coming first here, thought. When I see we cuff up, brother. How is it? Ah, my shoes. Watch out. Bad man, we a choperator.
Money! Brother, yo. Look at that bag. Yo, no get out cool, dog.
Dog, wake your key.
Wait a minute,
Where's your key?
in your pocket that you did have it.
More kicks, brother. Same thing, man. Tell you about them style about man.
What's your
Get up and trust too much, girl, brother. Can't do anything about man.
What's your thing? I must have attached and tell you.
Right now, I don't want to remember about this, brother. Right now, I care, brother. Wake care.
I can. Right down.